Bonjour and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So, are there some words in French that you're having particular trouble pronouncing? Well, stick around because I'll go over 12 words that you might be pronouncing wrong. All right? Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. I'm Nat, your French teacher, and I'm here to teach you some French. So if you need to learn some French, practice the pronunciation, or maybe expand the vocabulary, then you've come to the right place. So I post videos twice a week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button or ring the bell to get notified, okay? Let's get into the lesson. All right, guys, you ready? So the first word is frog. How do you say frog in French? Grenouille. Grenouille. So the spelling looks tough because there's a lot of letters in it, but there's actually not that many sounds coming out, okay? So grenouille. Grenouille. Okay? You want to try? Vas-y. Bien. So the next one is fouille. Fouille is to search for something, okay? Fouille. Fouille. Vas-y, you try. Very good. Okay? So the next one is mop. How do you say mop in French? Anybody know? Mop. It's vadrouille. Une vadrouille. Vadrouille. Okay? Vas-y, essaye. Good. Very good. So the next word is interesting. It's grouille. So the definition is grouille is swarm. But in Quebec, we use it to say, hurry up. We say grouille. Grouille là. So, but I don't think that's the official definition. So let's stick to swarm, okay? So let's try it again. Grouille, grouille, grouille. You try. Bien, très bien. Okay? So the next word is bird. How do you say bird in French? Bird is oiseau. 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 Vas-y, your turn. Bien. So blue in French is bleu. 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 Okay? You try. Vas-y. Très bien. Très bien. Okay, on continue. So the next one is to welcome in French. To welcome is accueillir. So the spelling is kind of tricky in this word, but again, there's not that many sounds coming out. So let's try it again, okay? Accueillir. 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 Okay? There's a y, like a y in there. Accueillir. Okay? Essaye. Très bien. So the next one is kettle in French. A kettle in French is une bouilloire. 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 Une bouilloire. Okay? Tu veux essayer? You try. Good. Bouilloire. It's a bit tough, eh? Just keep practicing, okay? So the next one in French is stove. How do you say stove in French? It's poêle. Poêle. You try. Good. Pas poêle. Poêle is hair. It's not poêle. Poêle. It's poêle. Poêle. Okay? So the next one is above and under in French, okay? So it's dessus and dessous. So above is dessus. Dessus. Okay? You try. Good. And below is dessous. Dessous. You try. Bien. So it's dessus and dessous. Okay? Okay. So the last one, I lied a little bit. It's not one, it's actually two words, but they sound very similar, and I know some people have trouble saying them. So it's him and the name Louis in French. So it's Louis and Louis. Okay? So let's try him. Okay? Louis. Louis. Lui. Okay? Vas-y. Bien. Now let's try the name Louie. So Louie, Louie, Louie. Vas-y. Bien. So it's lui et Louie. OK? Super. Alors, la question de la journée. I want to know, for the question of the day, what word in French are you really struggling the most? Is there another word that I didn't include in this list? Let me know in the comments below because maybe I'll make another video with it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Merci les amis!